Hey guys, I was at a conference this week, about a 6-hour drive away. Got up one morning, came out into the parking lot. This tire was flat. I'm by no means a tire mechanic or anything like that, but it's getting to be busy. Don't really have time to go sit at the tire shop for however long it's going to take, a couple of hours to plug a tire, and they don't plug them anymore. They said they have to do a patch. So I was going to go over real quick how you can plug a tire. I've got some kit somebody gave me a long time ago for a Christmas present or something, but basically you got a piece to clean up the puncture once we get this nail out, and then we've got these really sticky plugs here. You got to get them through on this one, through this piece here. Probably be easier to flatten it out first. But it feels like a thick piece of yarn that's been soaked in tar or something, is how I would describe it. But got to get it through this thing. Actually missing a piece here. Okay. You want to pull it through to about halfway. Actually, all right, so that'll work. And you could do this with the tire on the truck. When I came out, it was flat. It didn't have any air in it. I got some uneven wear here from the truck being out of alignment, but you can do this with the tire on the truck. I had to put the spare on to drive back from where I was, so here I am trying to fix this with no pressure in the tire. Oh, look at that. It's a little 1/4-inch zip screw with the head completely worn off. So you're going to take this piece and get it through. Either this one probably isn't the easiest to use. It's pretty cheap. I've seen guys take and kind of push it in and then pull it back out. Fairly easy. There we go. We're getting there. I'm pretty sure you can still pick these kits up at like AutoZone or a parts house. And then we're going to take and shove this in there. Sounded like it broke. Had to make sure. All right, so I felt it kind of go through. Now we want to pull this out as fast as possible. There we go. Plugs in there. You know, I suggest you go get your tire balanced at your soonest convenience after doing this, because you've added some weight to one side of the tire. And if you've got the time to take your truck to the mechanic shop or wherever and get your tire changed, then do it. Gotta use the right tools, you know. Can't be trying to cut stuff with my needle nose pliers. Okay, there we go. I want to look at this, see if that's a rock or a nail. It's just a rock. You want to pressurize your tire, check for any other damage. Like I see something right here, not sure what that is, but I'll put some air in the tire and I'll use some refrigerant leak detector in some of these spots and make sure I don't have any more leaks. There's our plug. Alright, and the bubbles you see were all, you know, that's what formed right when I sprayed it. You want to be looking for new bubbles being created. This would apply, you know, on a refrigerant leak too, but you use the same stuff. Alright, don't have anything leaking there. I had a spot somewhere on this tire where it looked like the tread had a cut. Guess I was just, oh, nope, right there. Okay, don't see any bubbles there. We're good to go. I'm gonna jack this up, get the spare off, and put this back on. Just little quick tips. Again, you can pick those up at the tire store or parts house. Little tubeless tire repair kit. And if you ever get a flat out in the middle of nowhere on a service call, you'll at least have a way to fix it and not be sitting on the side of the road waiting for somebody to come help you. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys next time.